I'm here at the Cooking Pot in Charlotte, North Carolina, one of Charlotte's only authentic Nigerian restaurants. We're going to be talking to Chef Esther Ikuru, who is going to show us how to make moi moi. It's very healthy, it's very traditional, and it's a celebration dish. There's a lot of work that goes into the preparation. This is a dish that's close to me, it's near and dear to my childhood, not only as a Southerner, but also as a Nigerian. And I'm just ecstatic to share this with y'all. This is black-eyed pea beans. This is the traditional beans that is used to make moi moi. But these days you can use any other beans like brown beans or any other kind of beans. It just depends on your geographic location. I want you to talk a little bit about where you're from because we're from different areas of Nigeria. Okay, yeah. So I'm from Edo State in Benin City, Edo State. That's in the southern part of Nigeria. And this beans is the beans we eat. We're gonna soak these beans and miraculously get the skin off of the beans. So while this is soaking, I'm gonna get my egg and clean it up. Growing up in northern Nigeria, my aunt would make moi moi on the weekends or for parties, and it was just the most delicious thing. The next thing we're gonna do is we're not going to be using all this fish because there's a lot, because I have a lot of garnish to put in here. So I'm just going to split this fish in half. This is mackerel. Yes. It's baked and we bake it over here. Delicious. So what spices do you use on it? Secret spice. Okay, a house blend of spices. Yeah, a house blend of spices. Okay. The reason why people don't want to do moi moi is because they have to literally wash the beans. Wash until the whole skin is out. A method, we cheat. Okay. We cheat, so we have to blend this up. You can't blend it too fine, right? Yes, because the beans is just going to blend with the skin and that's not what you want. And if you blend it too early, some of the skin is not going to separate from the beans, so you're going to have a lot of work to do when you pour it out. If you blend it and you feel that all the skin didn't come out, don't be afraid, just put it back in the blender. And see how the beans are white now almost? Yeah. That's how you know that you're getting most of the skin off. Exactly. It should all be white. Now see, the thing that's fascinating about this dish also is that it's related to the African diaspora for me, because black-eyed peas is almost universal. Yeah. Black-eyed peas is very African American. It's even in Latin American dishes. I have here some onions that I've chopped up, and some tomatoes, and some bell peppers and habanero. Now see, you kept the habaneros whole. Yes. Okay. Because you need the seeds to make it spicy. Some people just pour their crayfish into the mixture. I like to blend mine in. Okay. So while the onion is cooking, we need to mix our chicken bouillon. This is corned beef. This is also one of the garnishes you can put into moi moi. To me, the shrimp and the egg is my favorite, but you can also add fish, the mackerel fish, and you can add the corned beef. Don't put too much water because the water is going to boil into the moi moi. You don't want that. So I'm going to use an oversized. Okay. Woo. Cover it. How long does this boil for? Anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. You have to check to make sure that it's cooking right. Yeah, we'll plate it with plantain and rice. About your sauce. So it's tomato based? Yeah, it's all tomato based. This is worth the whole wait. See how soft it is? Mm-hmm. It's not too hard. It's not too light. It's
Right.
just perfect.
Right. And everything is melted so perfectly.
Exactly.
It's so smooth.
It's just deliciousness. It's purely African.